Welcome to the series of GRE word list for the sure success in UPSC, CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exam. It is the 8th video of the series. So let's get started. The first word is affliction. 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 Affliction is a noun. The meaning is pain and suffering or something that causes it. Means pain or suffering itself or something that causes pain or suffering is called affliction. Urdu meanings are azmaish, musibat, dard, taklif. Sentences are deafness is a terrible affliction. He suffered from an affliction of the eyes from an early age. These poor people are in great affliction. He bore his affliction with great dignity. Means he faced the sufferings and pains with dignity. The next word is affluence. AFFLUENCE. Affluence is also a noun. The meaning is the state of having a lot of money and a good standard of living. Means daulatmand. Sentence is the 1950s were an age of affluence in America. Synonyms are prosperity, wealth. The next word is affront. AFFRONT. Affront is also a noun. It has two usage. The first usage is affront to somebody something, meaning a remark or an action that insults or offends somebody something. Bezati or mukabla. Example is his speech was an affront to many in the local community. There is a to preposition with affront, so keep in mind because prepositions play a pivotal role in writing and speaking as well. The second usage is affront as a verb. The meaning is to insult or offend somebody. बेइज्जती करना, मुकाबला करना, सामने आना, गुस्ताखी करना. Example is an affront expression. The fourth word is agape. AGAPE. Agape is an adjective. It has also two usage. First usage is as an adjective, meaning if a person's mouth is agape, it is wide open, especially because they are surprised or shocked. Mabhoot, Shashdar, Heran, Pareshan. Example is he watched the spectacle, mouth agape. When he was watching the spectacle, his mouth was wide open. The next usage is agape as a noun. It is a technical meaning. It is a means Christian love rather than a sexual or a romantic love. Christian love as we call hakiki mohabbat hakiki. The fifth word is agglomeration. AGGLOMERATION. Agglomeration is a noun. The meaning is a group of things put together in a particular order or arrangement. Majmua ya dher. The example is an ugly agglomeration of buildings. Means the buildings were gathered together in a place in an ugly manner. The next word is aggrandizement. AGGRANDIZEMENT. Aggrandizement is a noun. The meaning is an increase in power or importance of person or country. Azmat, Tarakki, Sarfarazi. Examples are her sole aim is personal aggrandizement. He was a strong and greedy monarch who pursued a course of military aggrandizement from the beginning of his reign. I think these words are self-explanatory, does not need any explanation because I explained their meaning in a very simple way. The next word is august. AGAST. August. August is an adjective. The meaning is filled with horror and surprise when you see or hear something. खौफज़दा होना या खौफज़दा. Sentences are Erika looked at him aghast. He stood aghast at the sight of so much blood. Synonym is horrified. The next word is agility. Agility. Agility is a noun. It has two meanings. The first meaning is to move the ability to move quickly and easily. Chusti, tezi. Example are he had the agility of a man half his age. The second meaning is the ability to think quickly and in an intelligent way. Means चालाकी से सोचना, चालाकी से काम करना. Mental, intellectual and verbal agility. Second last word is agnostic. Agnostic. Agnostic is a noun. The meaning is a person who believes that it is not possibly know whether God exists or not. Means mulhid. जो mulhid हो ना मुहिद हो. Means atheist. Synonym is atheist. The last but not the least is agog. Agog is an adjective. The meaning of agog is excited and very interested to find out something. बेताबी से, मुतवक्के, सरगर्मी से, इश्तियाक से. Example is we were all agog with curiosity. There is a with preposition with agog. So thank you. This was the vocabulary of the day. I hope you are enjoying the video. Kindly put your valuable suggestions for more improvement.